So, types of market on the basis of imperfect competition. First one is a monopoly market, duopoly market, oligopoly market, and monopolistic market. So, monopoly market, mono plus poly, monopoly means single seller in the market. Means entire supply is controlled by the single seller. Monopoly is a market from in which the single producer controls the entire or whole supply of the single commodity which has no close substitute. Example for a monopoly is a railway, defense, public utility services, and others. According to PC Dewey, monopoly is a market with the one seller, means as one seller as a sell and control the market. Next types of monopoly, natural monopoly, public utility monopoly, visual monopoly, legal monopoly. Next is natural monopoly means is due to the natural factors. For example, particular raw materials concentrated at a particular place and this gives the rise the monopoly. So example iron ore, diamond, gold, silver and so on. Public utility monopoly or public service monopoly means government authorities seize the complete control and management of some utilities to protect their social interest. Example PNT, telephone, telegraph, railway, defense and so on. Visual monopoly, so the prevent the exploitation of the employees and consumers. The government nationalized the certain industries and acquires the visual monopoly power over them. Example, visual monopoly of tobacco in finance, life insurance, general insurance corporation, RBI and so on. Legal monopoly, so as engaged and protect under certain law, so investors of the new process articles device obtain the monopoly power for such inventions under the patents, trademark and copyright law. There are many examples. Legal monopoly of medicines as a Professor FW. So Tusing observes in his the principles of economics, copyrights and patents are the simple causes of absolute monopoly by the law. Next, voluntary monopoly through the combinations. So it is another type of the monopoly. Voluntarily monopoly in a group of persons as a assembled. So that is so the voluntary monopoly. Next, price output determinations under the monopoly. In the monopoly market conditions, a single seller has controlled the supply of the market. So as the supply of the commodity is congested or so is controlled by the monopolist, so is the fix the more price for their commodity and earning the super profit or super normal profit. So here in a short run, the monopolist keep an eye of the variable cost, otherwise he will stop the producing. In the long run, the monopolist can changes the size of plant in response to changes in so freedom. Look at this diagram. In this diagram, so AR is a average revenue curve, MR is a marginal revenue curve, MC is a marginal cost curve, and AC is the average cost curve. So OQ is a quantity of supply. So as it is always constant, whatever may be changes in demand, the supply is a constant. The demand is more, the monopolist fix the more prices and earn the super profit. So here as a OCS is a cost, average cost, is a total cost or economical cost, and OP is a so economical price. So usually, so cost AC as average cost curve, average cost curve as so there's a cut the MC curve in below the AC curve. Next. So here as under monopoly, MR curve slides the below the ER curve. The equilibrium level in the monopoly is that level of output in which the marginal revenue equals marginal cost. The producer will continue produce as a long run the marginal revenue exceeds the marginal cost at the point where the MR is equal to MC. Profit will be maximum, and behind this point the producer will stop the producing. So in this diagram it explains the our monopolist and the super normal profit. Okay, price under the pure monopoly. So how to fix the price in the pure monopoly, it is explained in the next class.